Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double DIN units. Let's check them out. One specifically we'd like to highlight is the Toyota Corolla dash kit that can allow us to mount a single or double DIN radio to the factory location. These are radios that are modular that allow you to install these radios in that floating screen effect. What the kit includes is either the single or double DIN radio brackets themselves and dash bezel. If you have a Toyota Corolla within these years and want to install an aftermarket radio in the factory location, this is a solution for you. Go ahead and check out Metra's website for more information. This is the Metra Turbo Kit 99-8270HG. Thanks for watching.